Hey agents, it's Steven. So where do you stand today with your real estate career? The reason I bring this up is that there are so many agents leaving the business. It has been stated that over 50% of the agents have left the business. What do you think happened? So number one, they don't understand how to work the business in the current real estate climate. Or number two, they work in a company that does not supply leads or support them in their success and training. Number three, they got caught in the old methods of business and never pivoted to make changes to be relevant in the change of the markets. Or number four, they got too lazy from the 2020 market that just went crazy. They forgot how to work in the business. Or five, ran out of money and needed to find some other business that pays them weekly. There can be so many reasons. And after being in real estate over 33 years, I understand if you're not willing to change and pivot, you will soon be another one of them who leave the business. So what can you do different? Number one, find a system that works and stick to the plan. Number two, find a team that can align you with the change and direct you to a better position in your career. Number three, get training and coaching and understand your weakness and build skills and strengths. Number four, push your ego out of the way before it makes you broke. And number five, pivot. And I get to understand that business and pursue to clients and understand the more skills and disciplines to achieve the results, but pivot toward what makes you better each and every day. The end result is stop duplicating the actions you are not achieving success and start asking questions and look to the successful team agents and see how they work. This is the best advice I can give you. This is Steven at the Christie Realty Group, wishing you a great day, great year, pivot, and have a good career. Thank you.